Hey guys, unboxing Anker's premium stereo Bluetooth speaker today. As with all of Anker's new products, the packaging's the new blue and white themed packaging. It's got a very nice feel to it, leaves everything inside very protected. Included in the packaging, when I could eventually get it open, was the 3.5mm audio jack cable and the USB charging cable. There are two versions of this product on sale at Amazon right now. This one has the included premium carry case by Anker, Anker branded as you can see on the top. The other one is identical but doesn't include this carry case. One of the things I was interested in with the carry case was to see if the material was soft enough. With a product like this, where it's very smooth and shiny surfaces, I want to make sure it's well protected inside the case, and the case looks to be a very good material. Zipper's very nice and chunky, easy to open. Stitching looks great inside, so even the carry case looks like it's a premium product. Worth noting that the carry case is actually a soft touch hard shell carry case that's going to protect this Bluetooth speaker should you be as clumsy as me and drop it. God, clingy packaging! The exterior of this really does look like some work's gone into it, making it look and feel like something that would go on top of a shelf somewhere and be on display all the time and you not have to worry about it. It's worth noting, because you can't really see it in this video, but the front of the speaker's actually got a mesh coating to it, not hard plastic like some other competitors. On the back there's a bass port for increased bass sound, and on the bottom, where all the regulatory information is printed out of sight, is the rubber base of the speaker, which will stop it sliding around and stop it scuffing any surfaces that you put it on. Just for size comparison, I've got the case here from my iPhone 6 Plus side by side to show that this isn't a great hulking piece of plastic that you're going to have to lug around. It's medium sized and the weight is heavy, but that'll be down to the drivers and the internal battery. Included instruction guide shows you all about the device, how to pair it, how to switch it on, how to charge it. However, note it does not come with a charging plug, only the cable. All the controls about play, pause, volume up, down, but distinctly doesn't show you how to repair it, so I'm hoping that's just going to be a smooth process if I ever have to do that. Also note, a 1.5 amp input means you'll want a 2 amp charger to be able to get the shortest possible charging time on this Bluetooth speaker. Also included with the Anker products these days are the happy not happy card. Their customer experience is very important to them, and they've got a great customer service. This tells you how to get in touch with them if you're not quite happy. So we'll go through the pairing process with a MacBook Pro just to show you that it's already got the Bluetooth enabled. So we simply hold the power button on. I'm going to guess the second chime there was a failure to pair with anything, so that's probably where it activates its own pairing mode. I noticed there wasn't anywhere to really put the charging cable when you had it in the carry case, but there was a little gap at the back where you could really stuff it. Probably accidental, not part of the design. If you don't mind it looking like this from the back, it's not such a bad place to keep it. The next 2 minutes will be a sample recording between the Anker speaker and the built-in speakers on the MacBook Pro using a track I put together on GarageBand. Worth noting though that this is recorded on a smartphone microphone. So that was the Anker speaker at about 40% volume, and this is the MacBook at full volume. Straight away, less bass, higher treble, a bit higher clarity in the treble. Mids aren't overpowering here like they can be on the Anker. But as with all laptop speakers, the treble is way overpronounced. No comparison really, the Anker is winning, but it does suffer from a lack of treble clarity, I think, overpowering mids.
All alone, pick up the phone and call Ghostbusters! I'm afraid about this. I hear it likes the girls.
Who you're going to call for your voiceovers, certainly not me. However, if you're looking for a speaker which is a good quality, doesn't cost the earth, doesn't have Wi-Fi, but then really do you need it, this is the one to get. Doesn't quite have the clarity of the Bose, but is about a third of the price. Thanks for watching, guys.